Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ọdún Olókun. Lónìí a wà ní Coney Island, ibi tí a ti ń ṣe ayẹyẹ ọdún Olókun. Olókun asọ̀rọ̀dayọ̀ Àjíkí Olú. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ lórí Motherland Reality TV bí a ṣe ń gbé yín lọ gbogbo ayẹyẹ tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bí lónìí. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
Olokun Festival, it's actually a phenomenon that we are celebrating as Africans, as Yoruba descendants, and I so much believe in the preservation of African heritage. At least it's going to shape the future of who we are going to become.
Àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé Olókun máa ń fúnyàn lówó, ṣé òótọ́ ni?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Olókun máa ń fúnyàn lówó, ó ń fúnyàn ní fọkànbalẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n wọn bá ṣe nǹkan méjì kò dẹ̀ ń ṣèdọ̀tí. Tẹ́ bá rí lẹ́nìí ẹ̀rẹ́ran, ẹ̀rẹ́wúrẹ́, ẹ̀rí nǹkan ẹ̀jẹ̀. Funfun ni nǹkan mímọ́ ni. Olódùmarè ló fún wa ní Olókun.
Ìṣẹ̀ṣe là ń ṣe, ọdún Olókun là ń ṣe.
Wórówóró.
Àṣeṣe ẹni o kábíyèsí nígbà ọdún kan ni ẹ fọmọdé jáde ẹ fàgbà lò ẹ wà nírúkú ọmọ ẹ̀yin gan ni mo rí ṣẹ́kù olórí ábí méjì ábí mẹ́ta
Àṣẹ.
àníwáàtì
Àṣẹ wà.
owó tó náà yìí ìyá mi lódò owó ayọ́niwáyọ́ kówó sí agbájé ńlá wa bá.
Oh wow, Olokun Festival, it's a beautiful cultural event. It's what celebrates the other parts of the world.
Wow.
A lot of people stigmatize the Olokun for a very long time, saying that if you're from the water, you are believed to be evil or bad. And then we are trying to change that narrative, letting people understand that Nigeria is rich in culture, not just Nigeria, Africa itself.
Yeah.
We're rich in culture and diverse cultures. We have a lot of hidden powers that a lot of people don't know. And Olokun is a very strong part of that culture. And that's why we're here today, to celebrate where we're from.
Ilé ibi tó jẹ́ tiwa o, Èjìgbò èlò jẹ́ ti bá o, olówó àwa ẹ̀yà wa o, ẹ̀yà wa wàrà ẹ̀ wá ò ṣe ayé ayé o ayé. Namode Mata.
Today we gather not only to honor Olokun, the great deity of wealth, abundance, and the deep seas, but also to reaffirm our commitment to the preservation of our traditions and culture. The Olokun Festival has over the years become a symbol of pride for our communities and a global attraction for lovers of culture, history, and tourism. It is a reminder of the richness of our ancestry and the enduring values of respect, peace, and prosperity that our forefathers handed down to us. This year's festival is not just about festivities, but also about reflection and renewal. It is a time to showcase our creativity, embrace our identity, and project our cultural heritage to the world. As the Oluase Olokun Agbaye, I am deeply honored to see this gathering of dignitaries, cultural enthusiasts, and well-wishers who continue to give strength and meaning to this noble cause. On behalf of the organizing committee, I extend heartfelt gratitude to all our royal fathers, partners, especially Seaman Shinaps. They have been our partners for over the years, for so many years now. We've even lost count. Thank you so much, Seamans. Sponsors, guests, and the entire community for your unwavering support. Without your encouragement, this festival would not have achieved the relevance and visibility it enjoys today. As we begin the celebrations, let us do so in peace, love, and harmony, remembering that our culture is not just our past, but also the foundation upon which we build our future.
God has blessed Yoruba land with abundance of spiritual blessings, knowing that there's no way you can navigate the troubles of life without facing challenges. Those spiritual blessings are supernatural that we cry for every day to help us navigate the natural world. You must walk in the spirit. You must work supernaturally to achieve anything in the natural world. If you ever believe that we're here roaming around freely like a headless chicken, I think you're wasting your time. Because the Lord that granted us this earth, created us, gave us all these orishas, all the 401 deities, to our own advantage. But it's up to us. It's up to us. You can go and you'll find all the orishas of the past. In the Bible is there. Osiris is the god of sun. Orisha ni òun náà. Àwọn tí à ń bọ ní Cuba tó ń pè ní Saint Mercedes, òun ní jẹ́ Ọbàtálá. Sẹ́rí Ọlọ́run tó ti fún wa ní gbogbo àwọn alákòóso. Ẹ má jẹ́ àgbàgbé wọn. Ó dàjẹ́ lẹ́ni ni pé àrántí wọn. Ìrántí ni òní o. Ìrántí ni o. Ìrántí Olódùmarè náà ni. Torí tá a bá ń rántí àwọn òrìṣà wa, àrántí Olódùmarè náà ni. Olódùmarè máa ń bẹ̀. A dẹ̀ rán àwọn òrìṣà yẹn pé kán mú gbà wá. Kán bá wa bẹ Olódùmarè kó bá wa mú lọ sílé àṣẹ. Torí ẹ̀ la ṣe ń ṣe tí àṣẹ lónìí. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká rántí pé ká má gbàgbé ìṣẹ̀ṣe. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe ju ẹ̀sìn lọ. Àwọn ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa ó ju ẹ̀sìn lọ. Bá a ṣe ń jó, bá a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀, bá a ṣe ń jẹun, èdè wa, àti bá a ṣe ń pe àwọn òrìṣà ká máa jẹun tọ́dẹ̀ ń jẹun nǹkan tá à ń pè ní ìṣẹ̀ṣe nìyẹn. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa parun o.
ẹ̀yin aráalé àwa ní rí jù báyìí lọ lórí ayẹyẹ Olokun Festival. Oríṣiríṣi ohun ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bíbá lónìí. A rí oríṣiríṣi ìlú, àwọn èèyàn jó, àwọn èèyàn gbàdúrà, kódà wọ́n gbé ìpèsè lọ bá Olokun. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin aráalé tí ẹ wá ti gbàdúrà, tí ẹ ti sọ ohun tí ẹ fẹ́ fún Olokun àti ohun tí ẹ fẹ́, Olokun á gbọ́ gbogbo àdúrà wa láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Àwa ní rí jù báyìí lọ lórí Motherland Reality TV. Orúkọ tèmi ni Bọ́láńlé Onísítórì. A ó pàdé lọ́dún tó bọ̀. Olokun á gbè wá o. Ó dàbọ̀.